on account of the merger with Piramal Enterprises. Gaurav joins in with the details.
Well, as the shareholders of Piramal Enterprises, which is now known as Piramal Finance, have gained more than 25% in the last 2 days. And let me give you reasons why we are focusing on this stock. When we look at Piramal Finance, first is that it has been strong fundamentally. So let me take you through some of the numbers. The merger actually happened to simplify corporate structure, and at the same time, it is also the upper layer NBFC. But when we look at second quarter, there also we saw a very strong set of numbers from Piramal Finance, around 22% AUM growth. In fact, net interest income and PPOP grew almost by 30%, and at the same time profit that doubled on a year-on-year basis in the second quarter of FY26. When we look at the FY26 guidance, it has also been very optimistic from the company. In fact, they are expecting 25% growth in AUM. They are expecting profit to almost more than double from here in the range of 1300 to 1500 crores, and at the same time it will be the AUM growth will be driven by the growth AUM that they are factoring in. Apart from that, on the long-term basis also, they're expecting AUM to double almost in the next 3 years, and at the same time return to almost average AUM that is likely to go up to around 3% versus what it is right now at 1.7%, and this will be happening along with the leverage that they will getting from debt to equity levels. When we look at the management commentary during the conversation with our channel, they also said that they want unsecured lending to go higher, and at the same time that is the reason why net interest margins, they are also likely to go to around 7% versus what it is right now at 6.1%. So definitely outlook is very strong, growth outlook from the management as well as the guidance for FY26 as well as for the next 3 years. When we look at other merger benefits, they are also going to have around 14,500 crores of tax shield which can be used for the next several years. That means that the PBT is more likely to remain in line with PAT, which is profit. So that is also something that we should be factoring in. And lastly, they are also developing and investing in AI. Now coming to the valuation, when we look at valuation of the company, Piramal Finance current price to book value stands at around 1.1 times. But if we look at the peers, we've got some of the peers like HDB Financials, L&T Finance, all of them are trading somewhere in the vicinity of 3 times price to book. So definitely there is some headroom for the valuation also to go up. When we look at outlook, management themselves are guiding for a strong growth margins and the engines to be there with the company. And as a result, when we look at stock performance, it is reflecting in the stock performance as well. Even today, it is up more than 5%.
Okay, indeed. Yeah, quite a gain since the entity listed in its new avatar. And that's really strong commentary, as you're pointing out, Gaurav. But before you go, tell us